Located in the rich, beautiful city-state of Singapore, one of the cleanest and safest countries in all of Asia, established as one of the world's most progressive economies, home to a mix of different races, cultures, languages, and nationalities all living together in harmony. BMC International College, established in 1966, once a small tuition center, has now become one of Singapore's top 10 private colleges, growing and expanding through the years to be the renowned institution it is today. Located in 3 convenient locations island-wide, BMC's main campus in Jurong East features the best that the West has to offer. From lodging to shopping to an overall experience, it truly is the jewel of the West. BMC International College has been known as one of the most effective institutions in Singapore for quality education and experiential learning. With our constantly upgraded facilities and our desire to provide students with a learning experience that will carry them through their chosen career paths. We offer courses in some of the most relevant industries, such as in electrical, electronic, and computer engineering, accounting, hospitality management, business management and administration, counseling and psychology, various English courses, as well as our preparatory courses in GCE N levels, O levels, and A levels. Together with our partners from the UK and the USA. We aim to provide a holistic experience with hands-on learning and real-life applications to fully prepare our students for their internships or a start in their careers. Come and experience Singapore with BMC International College.